Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I just want to bring you a little update. Has to do with the Acura Integra. Pretty exciting. I don't know if you guys have seen that they just announced that there's going to be the Acura Integra Type S coming out. It's going to be released the summer of 2023, so next year. Not even that bad, probably about 7 months from now. There's not a whole lot on it right now. I'll throw up some spy photos that they have on it right now. You can get an idea of what it's going to look like. Real similar to the Civic Type R. Has a little bit more muted design than the Type R. You don't see any huge spoilers or anything like that on it. I think it looks very tasteful from what you can see. As far as the power plant, I think it's going to be really good. So far, we know it's going to be running the 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged. So a really solid motor. We all know about the 2.0s are a great engine, the K series. It's going to be mated to a 6-speed manual, which is really good. So just like the Civic Type R as well. Now they've actually already driven the actual car, and what they're saying already, just from their test drive of it, they said that it's you can notice has the big diffuser on it, has a revised fascia, and it has a center exit exhaust just like the Civic, with the 3 pipes in the center, and some more aggressive tires on it, of course. Also has larger red brakes, and more than likely it'll have Brembos that the Type R has as well. That's not guaranteed yet, but more than likely it will. They also said that it has plenty of power. What they know so far, it'll push over 300 horsepower. So that's good. I know a lot of you guys wanting something with more power. For the size of the car, the Integra is not that big. Over 300 horsepower is plenty of power for that car. And like I said, the K series 2.0 is a great motor to make power. The red line is just about 7,000, so that's good. So I just wanted to share some of these photos for you. I don't know if you guys have seen them yet, but I think it looks really good. I like the Integra, the design. I really do. I might be looking into getting this one. We'll see, when it comes out next year, if there's all these markups and all that kind of stuff on them. Then probably not, but it would be a good car because I know I've seen them, and for the size, they're pretty roomy. I mean, they have more leg room in the rear than the TLX here does. So it's really well thought out. It's a great daily driver. If you guys just want more power, the more excitement, more engaging drive, I think this would be the perfect option. Again, I kind of want to see the price point on it to make it worth it. But the Type S TLXs go close to 60. So if this thing, hopefully in the 40s, I think that would be a great deal. But like I said, if they have big markups on it, then maybe not. But I'm really excited about it. What do you guys think about it? Do you guys think that's a great car to get? Are you guys going to look into putting a deposit down on one? Like I said, I do like the design a lot. The Integra's always been a great car. And now with that Type S variant, I think it would be if you want just a little bit more. I mean, over 300 horsepower is a lot for that car. I know the Type R is really quick. I have a feeling the Integra, being the Acura line, be a little bit more plush, more luxurious inside. But again, that'll probably bring a higher price tag too. So I just want to share that with you guys, see what you guys thought, if you've seen it yet. I am excited to see it actually in person when it gets released. Hopefully sometime early next year, you'll actually see photos of the actual car. Maybe even go test drive one. And like I said, that would be a car I'd be really interested in getting into as well. So again, just want to share some information if you haven't already seen it. Again, I appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Hope everyone's doing good out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.